Roman Empire in Galicia. The Romans called it Galaecia. Before the Romans, nations lived here. But it was a long, long time ago. Specifically, over 2,000 years ago. Decimus Junius Brutus arrived in this land. Grow. And he didn't come alone. His soldiers came with him. Decimus Junius Brutus wanted to conquer Galaecia. But when he went, he found a little problem. Nothing more, nothing else than the Libyan River, also known as the River of Oblivion. It was known by name because when you cross it, you forgot everything. But the brave Decimus crossed it and nothing happened. So they went on with the conquest of Galatia. But when he get to Fisterra, the end of the world, he decided to leave Galatia forever and ever. Then Julius Caesar wrote from Rome. He was coming for the gold. The gold of Galatia was very famous. This caused many fights. The Romans built stone bridges, like the one in Orense. The Roman crowns grew and became important cities like Lugo. They began to use new iron tools on fire. At sea, they trade goods and even ships came from the Mediterranean. Romans built like houses like the Tower of Hercules in Apollonia, and so it was. As you can see, there were many things that arrived with the Romans.